Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2018 Ford Transit Dropside. Now this one here, as you can tell, is a crew cab. Does come to you with 7 seats and 25,000 miles on the clock as well. Now, as well as this does also come with radio, Bluetooth, hands-free cooling as well. And if I do just open up the passenger doors just here, you can see we do have air conditioning just below there, a 6-speed manual transmission, and I'll just show you the back seats as well. There is room for 4 in the back just here, and there's enough leg room in there as well for you. Now all 3 of these sides do indeed drop down. There is a poppable step up as well, and I will just open up one side for you just for the sake of time. And if you'd like to find out more about this Dropside, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. The link is in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. Or if not, you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this and many, many more of our vehicles.